always have some fucked up ass name. Like, nigga, this shit here, nigga? This shit here, niggas? This shit's called death, nigga. Like, nigga, that don't even sound attractive. What? You mean I'm gonna hit it and die, nigga? Is that what? No, nigga, not death, nigga, death. You hit this shit twice, nigga, you can't hear shit. Like, nigga, I got shit to do today. What the fuck? Your kids been calling you all day. They daddy. Fucking around with them motherfuckers. I'm used to smokers of weed and getting the munchies. This nigga sold me some shit, had me looking at the refrigerator for 3 hours. I'm just in the kitchen, sitting on the stove, just